welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. We're gonna come back in the kitchen. First of all, we're gonna give you a weather food. The time is so cold, and I have something quickly which I wanna do. Basically, pop a little bit of olive oil inside of the frying pan like this. My frying pan about 3 to 4 minutes on the stove, so it's pretty little bit hot. And next thing, a little bit of white onion. As you can see, a little bit more heat. Some spring onion. Really nice and simple. Tomato, that's a medium-sized tomato I'm going to be using. Lovely and nice. The next thing, as you can see, it's frying really good. But we're going to put in some peppers inside of it to give it some flavor. So we're going to put in the red and green pepper. Guys, so we can see looking lovely. Now we're going to put in some sweet corn, some frozen sweet corn. Not too much. That is just some frozen sweet corn. Nice and lovely. So right here is the corned beef, guys. All you have to do is break it up inside of it. Just like this. Looking lovely and nice. Alright. Then next thing, we can also do, put a little bit of pepper, a bit of coarse pepper, and a pinch of beef seasoning. A little bit of tomato sauce, just to give it a color. Give it a stir. I make this just cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now this is finished. So this is where you can cook some corned beef at home, and you can serve it with anything, guys. Looking lovely and nice. And this is just a simple little recipe. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments if you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. See you next time. Bye bye.